Welcome. Let's begin with some of the very important questions for your NET paper 1 based on your 2020 examination. So there were many questions which are based on computer speed and computer memory. Now the only thing that you have to remember here is this chart. Now here we understand that CPU registers are closest to the CPU located in the arithmetic logical unit and therefore have the highest memory. Now next to it is cache. Cache is relatively having smaller capacity, is much more faster but is again expensive. Outside it means far from it based on memory is RAM. Now RAM, I can say this can be RAM, this can be SD RAM, this can be DDR RAM, whatever kind of RAM it is. It's basically a physical memory, and this physical memory is reasonably priced, is fast. This is the fastest. Okay, relatively this is the fastest, and this is relatively less fast. Okay, so we don't call it slow, but if we talk about in terms of which is fastest, I would say CPU registers are the fastest, located closest to the CPU in the arithmetic logical unit. Next to it, in terms of being fastness, is cache, and then you have RAM, which is called as the physical memory. It is reasonably priced, it is fast, and has an average capacity. So in terms of capacity, this would increase as we go down. Okay, so capacity increases as we go down, speed increases as we go up. Now the next is hard disk. Hard disk can be SSD, it can be solid drive, it can be flash drive, it can be kind of normal hard disk which is there. So all this are basically non-volatile. Non-volatile means, volatile means after the power is turned off, they are no longer into existence. The content is wiped off. However, hard disk is non-volatile. That means even if you switch off the computer, the content would remain as it is, pristine, and therefore we call it as non-volatile. However, RAM, cache, all these are volatile memories. Volatile means as the power is switched off, the content is erased. It is no longer into existence. And the least fastest among these is the mechanical hard drive. It is also known as the virtual file-based memory, and this virtual file based memory is relatively slow. It is cheaper and has larger capacity. So in terms of capacity, I repeat again, mechanical hard disk have the highest capacity, and in terms of being fast, in terms of memory, it is highest for register, followed by cache, RAM, hard disk, and mechanical hard disk. Now sometimes the order is asked, sometimes you have the 5 names, you are asked to arrange one after the other. Sometimes there is a question where which is the fastest, which is the slowest is asked. The question on volatile and non-volatile are asked. So those are some of the very important questions from the section on computing. We would be covering many such important questions for your NET paper 1, and for practice, for solutions to pass here, follow the links below. I definitely recommend you solve at least 5 years last papers, and that would give you ample of practice for NET paper 1. If you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to come back to us and we'll be more than happy to resolve your questions.